Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. And I think you've realized it already. If you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up Gemini with, so the Google Assistant. But how to power off the phone? For that you will need next to the power button as well the volume down button. Long press these both buttons together and then you're finally at the power off menu. So just confirm on power off and again on power off and the phone will shut down. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol and then you're here at the control center. At the part of the control center, see always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it and now you're at the power off menu. Confirm twice here on power off and the phone will turn off. But there's a way to set up the power button here, or the side button as Samsung has renamed it, as a real power button. Let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol, tap down here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And here we'll have the point Side button. And here you can choose what should happen. If you long press this side button, actually we will have the digital assistant, so Google Gemini, And for the future, if you want to have the power off menu, just confirm here. That means whenever you long press now the power button, you're immediately at the power off menu. So just tap on power off and again on power off and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.